Hi everyone. In this video, I'm just going to walk quickly through some stuff I got in the mail from Craigslist and from eBay, and also go over some stickers that I got from some other great YouTube channels. So one of the things I picked up, I got this off of eBay, is a milling attachment for my old Clausine lathe. I can't find much information on this lathe. I believe it was made sometime in the mid to late 1940s. I know it's a Model 100 Mark III, but beyond that there's not really a whole lot of information, not a whole lot of parts and things like that available. So when I find things like this milling attachment, I pick them up, and I got a really good deal on this. It is in pretty good shape. It doesn't have any paint or anything left on it, but everything moves. The screws seem to be good. The protractor dial is nice. It's still got the gib, so I think this will be the subject of a future video, just cleaning it up. Not sure how much treatment I'm going to give it, but I'll probably at least disassemble it and clean it up and lubricate it and paint it. So that's kind of cool. Wish I would have had one of those years ago, but if I did, I probably wouldn't have bought my mill. So one of the other things that I got recently is this quadrillel, it's called. It goes in the vise on the mill and allows you to hold objects that are not perfectly parallel. So I haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I think I will here shortly. I'll do something with it, and it's a little smaller than I expected, but I think it'll be okay. I think it'll work pretty nicely. I'll put a link in the description to where I got this. The guy sells them on eBay. And then I also got a local Craigslist find of some machining tools. Got a pretty good deal on them. It seems that the area I live in doesn't have a whole lot of that kind of stuff available. So these couple of things here are nice because they're higher quality than I have. I have a surface gauge, but this is a Starrett, and it's pretty much brand new. There's a little bit of surface rust on the screw there, or on the knob, but it's still got some of the protective coating on it. So yeah, so this thing is brand new, so this will be much nicer than the Chinese import that I have, that the little pins don't stay put, they just kind of fall out, etc. So I'll look forward to using that. And then I also got another set of 1, 2, 3 blocks included, again brand new, but these are Mitutoyo's. The surface blocks I currently have, or had and use, are again Chinese made imports of questionable quality, so it's nice to have some better tools now. I haven't had these out of here at all. Oh yeah, nice. I'll just leave the paper off. That'll be a nice addition. And then I got a Starrett planer gauge, which I already had one of these, and I kind of keep forgetting about it, but to me this was kind of just a bonus thrown in with the surface gauge and the 1, 2, 3 blocks. It's like it's a little stiff, probably needs to be lubricated a little bit, but it's in nice shape. The other one I have has an owner's name engraved on it, and the other one I have doesn't have the original Starrett case. This one has a nice Starrett wooden case for it, so I'll have to remember I have these and get them out and use them. I think a lot of times what I see is they function really well as large adjustable parallels. Speaking of which, this group of stuff also came with these. These are obviously not new, but be a nice addition to the set of adjustable parallels I have. I was watching Dudley Toolwright the other day, and he was showing these tape measures that he got called pi tape, and I remembered seeing them on Tom Lipton's channel as well, Ox Tools, and they look pretty cool. Not like something I would use a lot, but certainly also, which makes it not worth spending $120, $150 on a specialty tape measure for measuring round objects. I found this one on Amazon, of course, and thought I would give it a shot. Unlike the pi tapes, but more like traditional tape measures, this one just pulls out from the body of the tape measure. So okay, so there you go. So you can see if you wrap this around a pipe or whatever, that is 1 inch of your measuring diameter of the pipe. And it looks like on this side it's just got a standard tape measure with both inch and metric. So I actually may end up using this quite a bit more than I anticipated, simply because it's got regular tape measure on it. Let me grab something round and see if we can show how this works. Here we go. This is a prototype of something I'm making. So let's wrap this around. One thing about the pi tape ones is they have the vernier part of the tape is offset, so it is much more accurate. But again, for what I need, I don't think that that's necessary to spend $120 on a tape measure like that. So you can see this object is just a hair over, I think maybe you can see, is just a hair over 4 inches in diameter. So that is, yep, so 4.5, so 4.1, so 4.01, and it's well, let's just say 4.04 inches in diameter. So yeah, I think this will work, especially for the 20 or so bucks, I think it was, something like that. I'll put a link in the description to it. And then finally, I finally got some into the part of exchanging stickers with some folks. So I got a sticker from DJ over at Foxburg's Fabric Hoblin. DJ's got a new Cincinnati #2 tool and cutter grinder that looks pretty cool. I'm interested to see what he's going to do with that. And he's also putting out a couple videos now on tutorials on using Fusion 360. So I might take a look at switching over to that. I've been using FreeCAD for everything I do for my 3D printing and stuff like that. And then got a sticker from Paul at the Knackler's Workshop. Paul's getting ready to build a Congreve clock. The last video I saw, he just got the materials for that, and that looks like it will be a really cool project. He's also got a surface grinder that he's in the process of getting running, I think, and hopefully that'll incentivize me to get back to work on my surface grinder. I need it to warm up a little bit though, so I can get the car out of the garage and make room for it. And DJ at Foxburg's Fabric Hoblin sent along a sticker from the Engineer's Workshop. That's James' his channel. He is really talented. And one of his latest videos that I really enjoyed I learned a lot from, was the condensation and what causes that, and how we can hopefully keep that from ruining the tools. So I had put off recording this because I did not have any place to put stickers except a cabinet that I had been using that I put all sorts of miscellaneous stickers on. And I finally decided how I was going to do this. I just got a piece of whiteboard and put some magnetics adhesive strips on it and put that over the cabinet, over the stickers that are there. So I'll give you an example here of why I don't have room to put stickers. I'm standing here in the center of my garage, almost the exact center, and facing the outside door over in this corner. You can see I've got access to get out through that door. I try to keep everything neat and organized. My main door, which you can see, those are the LED lights that come on when the doors open. Those are really nice to have. But starting in this corner, I've got sandblaster and then tools coming out this way. My 20-ton press and miscellaneous things. Thought about maybe trying to do something, putting stickers on the door, but I don't really like that idea. So moving around this side of the garage, you can see I've got some shelving, and there's the cabinet that I was referring to. Underneath that whiteboard, it's full of stickers as well, but most of the stickers are pretty meaningless to me. A few of them are things like race tracks and stuff I've been to. Things like that. You can see the IMSA sticker down there, and the Rolex Lime Rock, and there's a sticker there, speed limit 241 from Indianapolis. So then the rest of the shop is pretty well full. All the walls, toolboxes, air compressor, cabinets, more toolboxes and tools. There's the bandsaw I'm working on. My heated cabinet. Moving around to this side, more wall cabinets, the lathe, CNC engraver, die grinder, surface grinder, and then in the center I've got an island of tools with the back of the mill there. There's the shaper, belt grinder, bandsaw, welding tables, etc. So yeah, I'm pretty well pretty well full here, so this is my solution for sticker board. I think it's going to work out well though, so let's get these stickers on there. I think this is one of the really cool things that this group of machinists on YouTube does. One of the main reasons I wanted to start a YouTube channel was to meet people like these guys. Just a friendly community and all the knowledge they're willing to impart, and I would love to get together at some of the events, like I don't know if I'll be able to make it, but I would love to go to the Summer Bash in California at Bar Z at Stan Zinkowski's place, and some of the other ones. I know there's one coming up, I think this weekend down in Florida, Flywheel something. I know Adam Booth goes to that one, so that's the goal anyway. So there we go. Got my start. So I got one more sticker in the mail just as I was getting ready to edit this video, so I wanted to get it included. This is from Greg at My Little Mule. He's got a good channel. You should go check it out. He's been refurbishing a Bridgeport mill. Got a lot of good stuff going on. He's a very talented guy. So yeah, I wanted to give a shout out to him, and let's get this on the sticker board. Alright, so let's get you up here. Nice, there we go. Alright, thanks everybody. So again, here's my email address. If anybody would like to exchange stickers or contact me for any reason, feel free to email me, and I would greatly appreciate it if you'd subscribe. So thanks a lot and take care. Bye.